मजलिस-ए-इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के सदर रुकन पार्लियामेंट बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कोविड-19 मोदी सरकार की दूसरी लहर और बंगाल में तशद्दुद के इंतजाम नाकाम होने पर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब किया। आइए देखते हैं बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी का इस ज़िमन में क्या कहना है।
This new second wave of COVID, it is not incompetence but lack of compassion on behalf of Modi government that 300 tons of foreign aid, emergency COVID aid, is lying in Delhi airport. Out of that, 5,500 are oxygen concentrators, 3,200 oxygen cylinders, 1,36,000 are remdesivir injection. What is the Modi government doing when they have told the Supreme Court that as far as oxygen supply is concerned, COVID control is concerned, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are directly responsible? Why does it take 5 days for this foreign aid to be immediately distributed to Delhi? Hardly 5 kilometers is the distance from the airport to Delhi. People in Delhi, hospitals in Delhi, patients in Delhi, doctors in Delhi are dying only because of lack of oxygen. Batra Hospital, 12 people died, including a doctor. What is it? What will move this government? They are in a complete comatose stage. They just don't know what to react. Empower one minister says that empowered group of ministers will look into it. Other says the other ministry will look into it. Whatever it is, just distribute this whole thing to Delhi, to other states which are suffering because of not having all this equipment. And it is because of the Modi government not preparing and deliberately sleeping on their job that we are facing this situation. Now when foreign aid is coming from so many foreign countries, we are thankful to them. You cannot even distribute them immediately.